Most faceless YouTube beginners fail because they build one income stream at a time. In this video, I'll show you a simple system where your channel, affiliate offer, and email list work together so you can earn before AdSense. Let's build it. This works because you're not relying on one income stream. You're combining content, email, and offers into one system. YouTube has billions of users, and affiliate marketing is a multi-billion-dollar industry, so the opportunity is real if you structure this correctly. Write down 5 topics you are genuinely interested in. Now, here's where most beginners make a mistake. They choose a topic they enjoy, but they never check whether money actually flows in that space. So, your niche needs to pass 3 simple tests. The first test is buyer intent. Open YouTube and type in your topic. Look at the suggested results and top performing videos. Do you see phrases like best, review, how-to, for beginners, software, course, or tool? If you do, that's a good sign. It means people are not just watching for entertainment. They are actively searching for solutions. Entertainment gets views, but problems get paid. The second test helps you determine if your niche is advertiser friendly. Here's something most beginners don't realize. Not all views are equal. In some niches, 1 million views might earn only a few $1,000s. In others, that same million views could earn 10 times more. The reason is simple. Advertisers pay more when your audience is connected to money, business, software, career growth, or health improvement. That's why niche selection directly affects both your CPM and your affiliate income. This is not about chasing trends. It's about understanding basic economics. The third test determines if you can solve one clear problem. If you can't explain the result of your niche in one sentence, it's too broad. For example, you might say, I help beginners start investing, or I help small businesses automate with AI, or I help people lose weight at home. Each of those statements has a clear outcome, a clear audience, and clear content direction. But if you just say fitness or tech, the algorithm gets confused because it doesn't know exactly who your content is for. But if you say home workouts for busy professionals, YouTube immediately understands your target viewer. Step 2. Now that you have a niche idea, you need to validate it. This is where a lot of people skip steps. They assume demand instead of confirming it. Open YouTube and type in a keyword related to your niche. Then filter by upload date and look at videos from the last 3 to 6 months. You're looking for proof of recent demand, not videos that went viral 3 years ago. Ask yourself a simple question. Are there multiple videos in the last few months getting at least 50,000 to 100,000 views? If the answer is yes, that's a strong signal that the audience is active right now. For example, if you search something like investing for beginners or how to use AI for business, and you see recent videos pulling in serious views, that tells you the topic is alive. Now take it one step further. Click into those videos and look at the channels. Are only massive channels with millions of subscribers ranking, or are smaller channels with 5,000, 10,000, or 20,000 subscribers also getting traction? If smaller channels are getting views, that's your entry point. It means YouTube is still testing and distributing content in that niche. You don't need to be huge to compete. Next, open Google Trends and type in the same keyword. You're looking for stability or gradual growth rather than explosive spikes. If interest is flat or trending upward over time, that's healthy. If it's sharply declining, that's a warning sign. If your topic doesn't show recent traction, don't panic. Pivot slightly, adjust the angle, narrow the focus. Sometimes it's not the niche that's wrong, but the positioning. For example, instead of fitness, you might test bodyweight workouts at home. Instead of AI, you might test AI tools for freelancers. Step 3. Once you choose your niche, your next job is simple. You need to understand it well enough to explain it clearly. Notice I didn't say you need a degree, nor did I say you need 10 years of experience. The goal is to become well-researched and one step ahead of your target viewer. Here's how you do that efficiently. Start by watching the top-performing videos in your niche. Pay attention to what they explain, how they structure their points, and which questions show up in the comments. Then, read articles, blog posts, or free guides on the same topic. Look for recurring themes. When multiple sources repeat the same idea, that usually means it matters. Take notes. Summarize what you learn in your own words. If you can explain a concept simply without looking at your notes, you understand it well enough to teach it. Faceless channels are built on research, clear explanation, and consistency, not personality. You should genuinely like the topic. You're gonna spend months creating content around it. If you hate it, you'll quit. At the same time, make sure it's a real skill that solves real problems. Some people think becoming qualified takes years. That used to be true. Today, we have unlimited access to tutorials, courses, documentation, forums, and real-world examples. You can compress the learning curve dramatically if you focus, but never fake expertise. Research thoroughly, credit sources when needed, and focus on helping. Step 4. Now, it's time to build your first stream. For most beginners, the best starting point is a faceless YouTube channel, and yes, it can be completely faceless. You will create videos around your niche using voiceovers, screen recordings, simple slides, stock footage, or even AI-assisted visuals. Your job is to explain clearly while the visuals support what you're saying. Think about tutorials on AI tools, breakdowns of investing basics, or step-by-step guides. The voice explains, the visuals reinforce, and that's all you need. Now, if your niche is make money online, narrow it to something like AI tools for beginners or print on demand for side hustlers. If your niche is fitness, maybe focus on home workouts for busy professionals or beginner keto meal prep. The narrower your focus, the easier it is for the algorithm to understand who your content's for. And that's how focused channels grow. You also don't need fancy equipment to start. A simple microphone, screen recording software, and basic editing are enough in the beginning. Start lean, then publish consistently. At minimum, aim for 1 video per week. If you can handle 2 or 3 without burning out, even better. Each video is an asset. Once it's uploaded, it can bring in views, leads, and sales for months or even years. Now let's talk monetization honestly. YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can earn through AdSense. That's the long game. But remember what we're building here. We're not waiting for AdSense to kick in to start earning. From your very first videos, you can include affiliate links and begin building your email list. That means your channel isn't just chasing views, but it's also feeding your system. Step 5. Now, this is the part most people skip. Focus on one stream. For the next 90 days, give your full attention to your YouTube channel. Do not start a podcast. Do not launch a course. And do not open 5 social media accounts. Pick one platform and go deep. Why? Because momentum compounds. When you post consistently in one place, 3 things happen. First, your skill improves. Second, the algorithm gathers data on your audience. And third, your content library starts working for you. If you split your attention too early, none of those compound properly. This is what I call avoiding shiny object syndrome. Beginners think more platforms mean more opportunity. In reality, more platforms early means diluted effort. After 3 to 4 months, or once you start seeing traction, whether that's views increasing, comments coming in, or your first affiliate clicks, then you diversify. But diversification should be strategic, not random. Your second stream should support your first. For example, if your channel is about fitness, your next move might be promoting workout equipment as an affiliate or creating a simple beginner meal guide. If your channel is about making money online, you might promote a software tool you actually use or create a small paid resource. If you teach tech tutorials, you could start an email newsletter that summarizes your videos and links to recommended tools. The key is alignment. Your YouTube drives traffic, your affiliate offer or product captures value, and your email list builds long-term relationships. And let me normalize something. Affiliate marketing isn't a hack, it's standard business. Most brands run affiliate programs because it's performance-based marketing. They only pay when you generate a result. So, when you promote a relevant product that genuinely helps your audience, you're not being salesy. You're connecting people to solutions, but only add that second stream once your first engine is running. Step 6. Now let's talk about the types of income streams you can eventually add, because this isn't a checklist to launch all at once. It's a menu. You choose from it once your first engine is running. The first and most important stream is your content platform. For most of you, that's YouTube. Your videos can generate traffic for years, especially if they are evergreen. In strong niches like business, finance, or software, even modest view counts can be meaningful because advertisers pay more in those spaces. The second layer is affiliate marketing. This simply means recommending tools, software, courses, or products that genuinely help your audience. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Many digital products and software tools offer substantial commissions because their margins are high. The third layer is your own simple digital product. This could be a short guide, a template, a checklist, or a beginner mini course. It doesn't need to be massive. It just needs to solve one specific problem clearly. For example, if your niche is AI tools, you could sell a curated workflow guide. If your niche is fitness, maybe it's a 4-week beginner meal plan. You build it once, and it can sell repeatedly as long as your content keeps driving traffic. Another layer could be a blog or newsletter that supports your YouTube channel. Written content ranks in search engines and builds additional trust. Your email list, especially, becomes one of your most valuable assets because you own that relationship. Later on, once your audience grows, sponsorships or partnerships can become another income stream. But that comes after you build leverage. Your content brings attention. Your affiliate offers provide solutions. Your digital products deepen the relationship. And your email list multiplies exposure. That's the system. Now, none of this is completely set it and forget it. You still need to update content, improve offers, and engage your audience. That's the difference between building assets and trading hours for dollars. Don't try to do everything. Instead, build one strong foundation, then stack aligned assets on top of it. Step 7. Now, let's slow this down and make it practical. A lot of beginners either wildly overestimate what they need or underestimate what's possible. So let's run conservative numbers. Imagine your goal is $10,000 per month. Let's say you promote a product that pays $500 per sale. That's common in software, courses, or high-ticket digital tools. To hit $10,000, you'd need 20 sales per month. Now, here's where people get confused. They assume they need millions of views. You really don't. Let's say your content gets around 50,000 views per month across all your videos combined. If a tiny fraction of those viewers convert, even less than 0.1%, you could reach that goal. Now, will it be exactly that clean? No, some months will be higher, some lower. Conversion rates vary, but the point is this: the numbers are not insane. You're not looking for celebrity level traffic. You need targeted traffic in a paying niche. Now, layer this with AdSense. In stronger niches like business, finance, or tech, even moderate view counts can generate meaningful ad revenue. In weaker niches, the same views might barely move the needle. When you combine ad revenue with affiliate commissions or your own digital product, you're stacking income per view. Step 8. Once your first two pieces are working, for example, YouTube plus one affiliate offer or a small product, then you can expand carefully. If your niche is personal finance, you might start posting short clips on Instagram or TikTok that summarize your longer YouTube videos. Those short-form clips send traffic back to your main channel. Your YouTube channel sends traffic to your email list. Your email list promotes your affiliate tools or products. And over time, that loop strengthens itself. Your content creates attention. Your attention builds trust. Your trust generates sales. Your customers refer others or promote your offers, and the cycle continues. Always cross-link strategically. In your YouTube description, link to your free guide. In your emails, link back to your latest video. In your blog posts, embed your videos and relevant affiliate tools. As that ecosystem grows, the effort required per dollar earned decreases. Step 9. Now, let's talk about the most underrated asset in this entire system: your email list. Platforms change, algorithms shift, accounts get demonetized, but when someone gives you their email address, you own that connection. You obviously don't need an email list on day one. First, build some content and get a little traction, but once you start getting views, you should begin collecting emails. The simplest way to do this is to create a small, focused freebie, not a giant course, not a 200-page ebook, just something specific and useful. For example, my 5-step beginner checklist for starting a faceless channel, or the 7 tools I use in this niche. You offer that free resource in exchange for an email. Then every time you publish a new video, write a blog post, or recommend a tool, you send a short email. That does 2 things. First, it multiplies attention. Instead of hoping someone comes back to your channel, you remind them directly. Second, it increases trust. People rarely buy on the first exposure. They need multiple touch points. Even a small list of 100 engaged subscribers can generate meaningful sales over time if the relationship is strong. Step 10. Now, let's talk about scaling. Once you start generating income, even a few $100s, don't immediately upgrade your lifestyle. Reinvest. Ask yourself, what task can I remove from my plate that does not require my brain? Maybe that's basic video editing, maybe it's thumbnail design, or maybe it's formatting blog posts or scheduling social content. You can hire freelancers at reasonable rates once you validate your model. When you free up time, you can focus on higher leverage activities like research, strategy, partnerships, or product creation. That's how this becomes scalable. Step 11. Before we wrap this up, I want to ground this in reality. This isn't an overnight system. If anyone promises guaranteed results or instant riches, that's a red flag. What we're building is asset-based income. You trade your time upfront to build content, systems, and relationships that can pay you repeatedly. If a video underperforms, don't panic. Improve the thumbnail, adjust the title, study retention, and keep publishing. Also, stay platform-friendly. Avoid exaggerated promises, avoid spam tactics, and always disclose affiliate links. The people who win in this space aren't the loudest, they're the most consistent and strategic. If you follow this system patiently, you're not gambling, you're building. Alright, quick recap. Pick a niche that pays and validate that real people are actively watching it. Learn it well enough to explain it clearly, then build one engine. For most of you, that's a faceless YouTube channel, and focus on it for 90 days. Start monetizing before AdSense with aligned affiliate offers or a simple product. Then build your email list so you own the relationship. Expand only when your core is working, and make sure every new stream supports the same audience. Content brings traffic, traffic builds trust, and trust turns into sales. That's the system. If you want a full step-by-step roadmap with templates and deeper execution, there's a course linked below. It's an affiliate link. Just being transparent. If you'd rather have accountability and hands-on guidance while you build, you can join my private community. It's for people who are serious about executing. Both options are below. Pick what fits you. And if you're ready to keep going, watch the next video where I break down the best all-in-one platform for affiliate marketers and digital creators. I'll see you there.